Every gummy bear begins far from the factory floor. Sweetness starts as raw agriculture. Harvested at scale, prepared for processing.
Texture comes from carefully processed gelatin.
Flavor is born from real fruit origins. Clean inputs ensure consistent taste.
Each ingredient measured by the ton.
Precision begins before the factory doors. All paths now lead to one place. Millions of pieces require flawless logistics. Every delivery, timed to the minute. Every delivery, timed to the minute. A controlled entry into a controlled world. Safety and precision begin at the gate. Every gram is accounted for. Flow is planned long before unloading.
Arrival without interruption.
The outside world stays outside. The outside world stays outside. Now the real transformation begins. Now the real transformation begins. This is where sweetness scales to millions. Every movement choreographed. The boundary between raw and refined. Cleanliness is non-negotiable. Ingredients now disappear into the system. A factory watched in real time. Scale defines everything here.
Measured precisely, every second.
Before creation, everything is purified. Purity is engineered, not assumed. Only the cleanest base moves forward. Texture is built patiently. Stability before transformation.
Color measured in milliliters.
Taste is calibrated, not guessed. Only approved inputs advance. The foundation is now complete. Now, the real gummy journey begins.
Heat transforms ingredients into possibility.
Consistency is engineered under force. Every degree matters. Iconic colors are born here. Taste joins the formula. Perfect texture, verified in real time. Smoothness is engineered silently. Nothing moves without permission. Form is finally given. Every shape begins as a hollow.
An icon pressed by the thousand.
Millions filled without hesitation. Uniformity at microscopic scale. Time and temperature do the rest. Patience turns liquid into form. Shapes prepare to stand alone. A cascade of sweetness. Only the bear moves forward. Automation keeps the pace relentless. Every bear is visually verified. Imperfection never slows the line. Accuracy. Accuracy measured in fractions of grams. Machines talk faster than people. One room, total oversight. Gloss applied with precision. Texture perfected for the journey ahead. Now comes refinement. Speed meets precision in every lane. Color consistency is never accidental. Every piece conforms to the standard.
Numbers matter as much as form.
Safety checks run silently.
Human eyes ensure perfection at the end.
Order emerges from chaos. Shine is the last touch before the journey begins. Precision now meets speed in the final act.
Even perfection is constantly verified.
Every batch meets precise chemistry. Consistency is quantified mechanically.
Taste meets science.
Safety is non-negotiable at every step.
Traceability ensures accountability. Only approved batches move forward. Quality control bridges creation and delivery. Every bear is verified before it reaches the world. Precision meets speed in the final act. Each pack measured and sealed. Order emerges from repetition. Presentation as precise as production. Ready for distribution worldwide. Logistics complete the journey.
And this is how modern factories produce HARIBO from start to finish.
Every gummy bear traced back to this precise orchestration.
The story of production revealed.